In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair copper water fountains. You're going to need chalk, torch, wire brush, sandpaper, paste flux, and solder. Before you drain all the water, leave enough to find the leaks underneath. Use the chalk to mark the leaks that you find. Use the wire brush and sandpaper to clean all the dirt. After you finish sanding, apply the paste. Hit the area with the torch and apply the solder. Let it dry. Wipe the area with the rag. Flip the pan and add water to the area. Look underneath to see if the leak stopped. Repeat the process on all the leaks. After all the repairs, there's no more leaks. Thanks for watching.